In a world where time travel has become a reality, the Chrono Project aimed to revolutionize history by allowing individuals to access and manipulate time. However, the experiment took a dark turn. Elias, an unsuspecting participant, finds himself at the epicenter of a catastrophic failure. Injected with a serum designed to grant temporal awareness, he inadvertently wreaks havoc on the timeline itself. As he struggles to comprehend his reality, fragmented memories invade his mind, visions of a sterile lab, blinding lights, and terrifying screams. The once clear pathways of time blur, intertwining the past, present, and future into a chaotic tapestry. Now, with the help of Mara, a tactical ally, Elias must navigate through a world spiraling into chaos. Holographic displays reveal the disastrous consequences of the Chrono Project, showcasing glimpses of ancient civilizations colliding with futuristic dystopias. With each passing moment, the stakes grow higher and the threat intensifies. Elias is left to grapple with the weight of his role in this catastrophe, facing the harrowing realization that he holds the key to either restoring the timeline or plunging it further into chaos.